Hi, my name is Tiara Click. Welcome to When the Mind Clicks. Today we're going to be discussing mental health disorder. What is mental health disorder? Well, that is a question. I'll help to break it down identifying 5 components. 1. A mental health disorder is a behavioral or psychological syndrome or pattern that occurs in an individual. 2. Mental health disorders tend to show an underlying psychobiological function. Typically, within the mental health world, to get a full picture of an individual's condition, a biopsychosocial assessment is explored. Now, I do have another video that provides a brief breakdown of a biopsychosocial assessment, so if you want to know more about that, go to my page and start scrolling to find it. Number 3. The third identifying component of a mental health disorder would be if the consequences of your mental state are clinically significant in distress, consequently leading to impairment in one or more important areas of functioning. So this means your mental health is getting in the way of your daily tasks. Or an example would be if your emotions are being accompanied by symptoms of pain, or your mental health or emotions lead to some form of disability. Functional, cognitive, or otherwise, this is a mental health disorder. Number 4. To qualify as a mental health disorder, the challenge must not merely be an expected response to a common stressor or losses. So for example, mourning the loss of a loved one, or a culturally sanctioned response to a particular event like being in a trance state during a religious ritual. People in these positions might exhibit behaviors that look like mental health disorders. I'm talking to the prophets, okay. But they are likely an appropriate response to stimuli. It's not until the response to interactions and environments are abnormal responses or disproportionate to the expected response or severity of the situation. Once these things occur, you're a step closer to justifying it as a mental health disorder. And last but not least, number 5. To qualify as a mental health disorder, the challenge a person experiences would primarily result in social deviance or conflicts within society. And these are the 5 indicative factors of mental health disorder. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to connecting with you when the mind clicks.